Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
Speaking on the budget in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to refer to only a few points. First of all, I would like to say a few words about the deficit in the budget. We must be proud that the finance minister has presented a budget with only a small deficit. It is our duty to go into the causes of the deficit and the ways and means to cover it. The finance minister has done his best to cover the deficit. For this purpose, he has proposed some taxation measures. In this connection, I would like to point out that the people ask for many amenities. If development projects are not taken up by the government, people find fault with the government. It may be pointed out that there is suffering among the people for want of irrigation facilities, electricity, and so many other things. In order to meet these needs, the government are taking up major capital works. For this purpose, money is required. In these circumstances, it is not surprising that there is a small deficit in the budget. Secondly, I want to refer to the question of prices. Some time ago, it was said that the prices were high and there was criticism about it. It is seen that they are now coming down. When the prices were high, it was said that the government were not taking any interest in the matter. But now, when the prices are coming down, it is said that the agriculturists are suffering very much since the price of paddy is going down. I am sure the government are taking necessary steps to stabilize the prices. I think they are trying to purchase the paddy on government account so that the agriculturists may not suffer. This should be welcomed. Thirdly, as regards sales tax, I am very glad that the government have exempted vegetables and some other essential articles from the levy of sales tax. At the same time, I request that flowers may also be exempted from sales tax. In this connection, it is necessary to consider the question of medicines also. It is well known that medicines are very important from the point of view of the consumer. There is no point in taxing medicines at various stages. It will be good if there is only a single point levy of sales tax on medicines. The poor people are not able to meet the multi-point levy on medicines. They are suffering very much on account of this. So, I appeal in the name of humanity to the Honorable Minister to give favorable consideration to this matter and see that medicines are taxed only at a single point. Fourthly, I want to refer to the industry of hides and skins. It is very important industry in our country. I say it is important because it is an industry which is getting us foreign exchange. A lot of hides and skins are sent abroad and they are sold in the foreign countries. I understand that sales tax was not collected from the merchants dealing in hides and skins for the past 3 years. If the government did not collect the tax every year, it is not the fault of the merchants. I do not know whether the government are going to collect this amount in one installment. Those who are rich may be able to pay this amount as a lump sum, but it is not possible for the other merchants to do so. So, I would request the government to go into the matter carefully. It will be good if this amount is not collected. If necessary, the government may try to collect the tax from now onwards. Finally, there is one other important item which I want to refer to. That is about the mobile medical units. I am sorry that the amount which has been set apart for this item is very small. I am certain that it will not be possible for the government to carry out that work successfully with this small provision. It is necessary for the people to get medical relief to the maximum extent possible. There is no doubt that these medical units are useful for the people. In these circumstances, I would like to suggest that the amount may be increased so that the work may be carried out effectively for the benefit of the people. With these few words, I conclude.